So what is crypto? So cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that help solve problems. It could be something as simple as trying to find out the best way to action or solution, or it could be something as complicated as doing the math to launch basically folks to the moon and beyond, to other planets. So the cool thing about cryptocurrency is everything these days that is a problem can become an asset, a crypto asset. And that's kind of how this whole blockchain industry is taking up. So for example, say you have an idea to improve a process, okay? You can actually tokenize that process, an idea, and turn it into a coin, a crypto coin, okay? And then people can get rewarded to help you develop your idea. So in a nutshell, that's what cryptocurrencies are, or the tokenized version of it. You've heard JP Morgan just yesterday announced that they're going to create their own coin. They're going to use this coin to effect international money transactions. You know what's going to happen? The other banks are going to jump right in, and they are going to start offering crypto services. What that means for you as a consumer is you need to start learning everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. And that's why we're doing this training. So I appreciate you joining the training, but what we're going to do also is hold a masterclass. So this masterclass will be for select individuals that are interested in learning how to utilize cryptocurrency to solve problems, and also help them with the other component of cryptocurrency. What I mean by that is there's going to be some crypto coins that will be emerging in the market, and people are going to want to use them as investment. Just to be clear, we are not making any investment advice or telling you what to buy. We're just trying to educate you on this third wave evolution of the internet. That's really what this is, okay? You heard when Amazon came to light about what, 15 years ago? Look at Amazon right now. The internet was changing, nobody knew what it was. Well, right now the next wave is called blockchain, cryptocurrency, and the tokenization of ideas. So it behooves you as a consumer to know what this is, all right? And we are excited about the awesome opportunities that this presents for entrepreneurs. Most entrepreneurs can actually tokenize their ideas and be able to do something with it from a cryptocurrency perspective. So that's what we want to share with you guys, all right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Podbum YouTube channel, because that's what we're going to be doing, the long versions of this training, all right? So there should be a link somewhere here that you need to click to sign up for a masterclass. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, we'll be posting this on our IGTV